Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding and Implementing BERT NLP Model in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, BERT, has emerged as a powerful natural language processing, NLP, model, achieving state-of-the-art results on various NLP tasks. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamentals of BERT and demonstrate how to implement it using Python with the help of the popular Hugging Face Transformers library. Prerequisites. Step 1, Import libraries. Step 2, Load Pretrained BERT model and Tokenizer. Step 3, Tokenize text. Step 4, Obtain BERT embeddings. Step 5, Understanding BERT embeddings. Step 6, Fine-tuning BERT for specific NLP task, optional. BERT can be fine-tuned for various NLP tasks like text classification, named entity recognition, etc. Here's a basic example for text classification. Conclusion. This tutorial provided a basic understanding of BERT, how to use it for tokenization and obtaining embeddings, and a brief example of fine-tuning for a specific NLP task. BERT's versatility makes it a powerful tool for various NLP applications, and the Hugging Face Transformers library simplifies its implementation in Python. Experiment and adapt the code to suit your specific NLP requirements. ChatGPT.